Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Debian and Kali Linux. Debian is a stable and reliable Linux distribution designed for general purpose use. It is popular among developers, system administrators, students, and everyday users because of its stability, security, and huge software repository. Debian focuses on providing a dependable operating system for desktops, servers, and development environments. It is easy to maintain and works well for long-term daily use. Kali Linux is a specialized Linux distribution built for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, penetration testers, and security researchers. It comes preloaded with hundreds of security and penetration testing tools used for vulnerability assessments, digital forensics, wireless testing, and network analysis. Kali is designed for security work rather than everyday computing. While Kali Linux is based on Debian, its purpose is very different. Many beginners install Kali thinking it is a faster or more advanced version of Debian, but Kali is specifically optimized for security testing and may require more technical knowledge to use effectively. For regular tasks such as web browsing, programming, office work, gaming, and server management, Debian is generally the more practical choice. Overall, Debian is the better Linux distribution for most users because it is stable, secure, beginner-friendly, and suitable for daily use. Kali Linux is the better choice only if your primary goal is cybersecurity, ethical hacking, penetration testing, or digital forensics. For the average user, developer, or system administrator, Debian is usually the recommended option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.